You know, I was gonna sit in that chair when I filmed this, right? Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel and my very, very unclean office. I was filming a lot of videos today and I noticed a trend that when I needed something like a lens or just something on my desk, it took me a very long time to find it. And then I just kind of looked over at my desk today and I said, man, this is a hot mess. So I figured, why don't I just take a half an hour and clean and remodel and take you guys along with me, because usually when I film it, I get the entire project done. So I'm going to show you the before, the right now, and then we'll see the after. All right, here's the entrance of my office. You can see my window is open. I do have a flat screen up here. It's got everything that my downstairs TV has connected to it, like my Netflix, my satellite cable, all that fun stuff. And here is where the mess starts. These books need to be put away. I don't even have a spot for tissues. This entire table is usually my backdrop when I teach VIPKID here on this computer. There's water, probably from a few days ago. Again, I have not touched this. I'm letting you see the complete and utter disarray. It's just, I haven't really taken time to clean it. Those are old, need to be replaced. I think it's just time to sit down and reorganize this big, big mess. This is my VIPKID hoodie. It's got like my name and VIPKID teacher on it. It's right here just so I could get it on quickly. But short and sweet, here is the beginning. Let's get cleaning. Oh, do I see cuteness? I do. Since I'm over here, you can also see all my tax files that I haven't touched since April. And then just stationery, stickers, notebooks, binders, and my 3-hole punch. Let's clean this up. Alright, here is the final product, already so much better. First of all, I can actually see my counter, and I vacuumed and dusted, so extra points for adulting today. When I come sit now, I have space for my scheduling agenda. I'll do a zoom in here. That is my lesson plan for school right there. It's a lifesaver. Hey you guys, really quick, since I had so many people asking me what lesson plan I ended up going with. I know I mentioned this in this office video, so I wanted to come on here really quick. This is a few days later. The video goes up tomorrow, but I did check my comments and so many people asked. I've gone with a system that I found from the Happy Planner. Christopher actually got me this a few weeks after I started teaching, when I was telling him that I was having a really hard time finding a planning system when you teach kindergarten through 8th grade general music, band, choir, and the musical. So what I love about the Happy Planner, and again, this is not sponsored, this is just the teacher version. They have ones if you just need an everyday planner, if you're a wedding planner, coordinator, they have a whole bunch of different plans. Just Google them. Again, not sponsored, so I don't have any information on that. But I got these little music note stickers to put on the top. It says, teachers change the world one child at a time. This is laminated, and let me pick a page that doesn't have phone number or like sensitive information. Here. all the pages you can literally remove if you want to just buy fillers for the next year if you like your cover, which I'm still debating if I want to get a new one. If you have any favorites and you're also a happy planner, let me know as well. I love this because it has your academic calendar, notes for the substitute, even though I have, 16 different classes, so I couldn't put all the substitute information here. But these tabs let me, divide the months. And let me go to a blank month just to let this be interesting. At the start of every month, you get these cute little quotes. What we learn becomes part of who we are. Just nice, cute things. Your top 5 tasks of the month, your goals, your focus, student birthdays. I don't ever really fill this out unless I get notification in my teacher mailbox because, again, I'm not a homeroom teacher. Events, this is always very busy. I actually use bullet points here. And then holidays, days that we will have off. And let me very quickly pull up something else I love about this is the next page. You turn it. You get to label your month. So you have your stickers. I do think in my future one, I will get a calendar that is based off of a school year, so I don't end up putting all the stickers on here. This took a little bit too much time, but you can pick your dates, you can put hearts, your days of the month, and then you have these stickers, field trips, start of the break, end of the break, graduation. I have to add graduation to mine. But once you have your start of the month quote, your goals, you do turn it. Here's the month laid out. And then what I love about this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and you have 6 classes per day, which ironically, actually technically 7, but I have 6 total, and then I put things I need for the next day here. So for example, Monday, first period, I have 7th and 8th grade choir. All right, what we're doing, layman's terms, things we're doing, music I need. 6th grade choir, same thing. 2nd grade, 1st grade, 5th grade, 4th grade. Oh my gosh, I got it perfect. And then things that I need to remember, things that are due, will all go here. And then if I have a day that my substitute will be here, I can write like a substitute day. And from what I found so far, this has worked great. But all in all, the Happy Planner is what I have been using and I absolutely love it. If you have any recommendations, let me know down below in the comments, and on with the office tour. And then above it, I have the books I am currently reading. Loving Tribe of Mentors. Tim Ferriss is great. And I just picked up Home, which is the autobiography of Julie Andrews, because she is the best. Up here, I kept some thank you cards that I thought were just really beautiful. I usually put more up here, but tried to minimize. I'm sure I'll get some more over the summer. And then this Relax, Rejuvenate, Refresh, which was on sale for $1 at Big Lots. This thing right here is nothing more than a candle top from Bath & Body Works, but I liked it and I thought it looked really cool on the wall, so I put a nail in the wall and stuck it there. Moving over here in this little shelf, that is where I keep my VIPKID flashcards. The ones on the right, which are different colors, are my alphabets. I have laminated like big A and small a, so on and so forth. And then I have butterflies and cupcakes for my food units. And then above them, I have my character cards. So all the things you need to have an online classroom. And then, of course, my Apple mouse and keyboard. Of course, the cat. She does not come with the office. Sorry for the shaky video. Over here in the other shelf, that is things that have arrived in my P.O. box that I have yet to write back. I try to write back every single person that writes me on my YouTube channel. Or I sometimes do events where I sing with a symphony and they put my P.O. box to write for the singer, and that is that. Let me sit for a second. And now over here, the Ohio artwork came from my friend Andrea during a Secret Santa, which I think I did vlog for a Vlogmas 1 or 2 years ago. And then I went to a farmer's market and I bought that candle. And over here, I decided to pull out, this is like a little mesh organizer that just holds everything from my pens, pencils, highlighters, my SD cards for filming, chapstick, and then if I teach a lot of VIPKID classes and I need to redo lipstick, I keep a cheap, like, I don't know where this is from, probably Target, but it was $1. It's just really cheap lipstick so I can, have flips on camera. This holds everything else, my headphones, my scissors, everything goes right there. But one more time, there it is. Anyway, that is it for my 2019 spring office makeover and tour. Let me know if you have any suggestions for things around here. If you see something that could be way better organized, as I'm sure there are many things. Let me know down below in the comments. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!